All right. So, welcome to another Forex boot camp. If you do not know who I am Talia Benton Lee. I just got married, so Talia Lee is my name. You guys, I've been in this business since April of 2020. It's been a long ride, but I love everything about this opportunity. The main thing that I really love is teaching. That's the main thing. Thank you. The main thing I really love is teaching this skill to anybody that's already in the opportunity. We have people that's outside that I really just don't even care about. I care about the people that's inside the opportunity that need the help the most. So that's why I do what I do, and that's why we're doing this training tonight. So, the first thing I just really want to go over is Forex in a nutshell. What Forex is, how to manage both Forex and HFX. Some different brokers you can look at, IML educators to watch, how Pip Talk can save your life, MetaTrader 4, and set up your account. If you guys want me to, I'll go over the harmonic scanner. And then I made like this little Forex basics. Let me go. Oh, wait. Back. Wait, because I didn't need that to delete. Did that delete? I gotta put that back on there. I made this little PDF for you guys, and I'm gonna add this picture back on here so you guys do not miss out on any of the value. Bam. So I'm gonna scroll up and let you guys see it. If I need to go over this, let me know. If you guys already know all of this information, like what Forex is, the major currencies in Forex, the most fluent currencies, the different sessions, do I need to go over the basics of Forex? Drop some twos in the chat. Thank you, Latonya. Y'all let me know. Do I need to go over the basics? Yes. Okay. So this one I'm gonna start with. I'm not even gonna cap with you. This is what I'm gonna start with because we are all know sure. Anybody like who's new to the opportunity? Like if you've been in this opportunity a month or less and you do not know what Forex is, it has to be introduced to you. I need to know sevens. Drop some sevens in the chat. If you a rookie at this and you just here, bear with me for just a minute. I promise I'm going to breeze through this, and this PDF will be available for everybody. So Forex is short for foreign exchange market. It literally is a $7.3 trillion market where we are able to trade currencies. Different countries use different currencies all around the world, which is what makes up of this market. The 8 major foreign exchange currencies are the euro, which is the European dollar, the United States dollar, the Great British pound, the Japanese yen, the Swiss franc, the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar. So if you put any 2 of these 8 major currencies together, that makes up of a currency pair. And that's how we're able to trade the most fluent currency pairs are the Euro USD, the Great British pound against the United States dollar, the USD JPY, USD Swiss franc, the Australian dollar versus the United States dollar, the New Zealand dollar against the United States dollar, and the United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar. What's one thing that somebody can tell me is like the biggest similarity between all of these currency pairs? Let me see if anybody catch it. The biggest thing with the similarity between all of these currency pairs. There you go, Sierra. Most of them have USD. There you go. Most of them have USD. USD literally makes up of the most of the foreign exchange market. And that's how we are able to literally make money on a daily basis. So there are 4 different sessions within the foreign exchange market. You have the London session, you have the New York session, you have the Sydney session, and the Tokyo session. Within the London session, you're able to trade, and the greatest pairs to trade are the Great British pound and the euro. This session is from 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Everything Forex is primarily done in Eastern Standard Time. If you're in another like time zone, which I am, I'm in Central Standard Time, so it's an hour above me. You just want to convert it, and if you like bad with converters, set alarms. That's what I do. So biggest thing for me in time zones is I hate it. So you have the London session, which is from 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. The New York session, you have the United States dollar and the Canadian dollar, and the indices really are big to trade during the New York session. So you're able to trade them between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then you have the Sydney session. The biggest things that traded here is the New Zealand dollar and the Australian dollar, and this is from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then you have lastly the Tokyo session. This is the Swiss franc and sometimes the Japanese yen, and this goes from the I'm not gonna say sometimes, mainly the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys have the currency pairs in the sessions, let me get some sevens in the chat. Let me make sure y'all with me. We got 30 people on the call now. Shout out to y'all. Sevens in the chat if y'all with me. So the next thing I want to ask that you need, guys, who does not understand how to calculate pips? Let me see. If you do not understand how to calculate pips, or even what a pip is. Sierra? Right, all right. So a pip, pips and lot sizes. A pip is an abbreviation for point and percentage. Basically it's a unit of measurement, just like we have inches, miles, and stuff like that. In money we have pips, or in Forex we have pips. So basically a pip, like I said, is an abbreviation for point and percentage, and is a unit of measurement that expresses a change in value. So the example we're going to use today is the Euro USD. And if you do not have the MetaTrader 4 app downloaded to your phone, you want to go and do so right now, because that is how you can kind of look at this, and you need to have that app downloaded anyway. So MetaTrader 4 is a free app in your app store, Play Store, whatever. Go download that right now. We're going to use Euro USD as an example. So when I have it on my computer, I'm going to bring it up and show you guys what MetaTrader looks like on a computer. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, Euro USD right here, and it has this price right here next to it. If everybody can see this, drop some ones. Let me see if y'all with me. You see Euro USD and the price that's next to it. So this would be our entry price. This is what we're looking at, is our entry price. And this spread right here is the price in between where you can make your money. So if you need price to go above or below this number, if you're buying or selling, so you can make money. So we're going to go back to the little PowerPoint here. This is Euro USD, and you see that price is currently at 1.1860. And you see this little number 1 right here. Y'all remember this little number 1. So we're going to go back over here, and here we got 1.18601. So if you look at the price, the 1.18 signifies the base currency. So you see that the euro is currently $1.18 per pip, or I just drew a whole blank. $1.18 is the base currency. And then the numbers next to it is the 6 and the 0. This is what we're looking at for the pip. That 1 is a pipette. We do not look at that when it comes to regular Forex trading. So you can knock that little 1 off, but you're looking at the 6 and the 0. Where it comes to you making money, you need this 6-0 to either go up or go down for a buy or a sell. Every time the market moves a pip, we're either making money or losing money. So how much do I put in? What is lot sizes or whatever like that? We have 3 different ones that we actually look at on the main. So we have the micro. This is 1,000 units. This is 10 cents per pip. If you're looking at this on a MetaTrader 4, it's going to say 0.01. It means every time that your currency moves, you're going to make 10 cents per pip. On the second hand, you have the mini. That's 10,000 units. You have $1 per pip. And then the standard lot, that's $10 per pip. So let's look at this little take profit, or this buy example for Euro USD right here. Let's say the price is at 1.1860, and we put in a take profit for 1.1890. Somebody drop in the chat for me, how many pips is that? How many pips is that? Sierra got it. Okay, I need to see at least 30 more 30s in this chat. There's 30 people on the call. I need y'all to 30 it out with me. There you go, Jermaine. Wake up. I need 30. I was a tad confused. So we're looking at this 60 to go up. If we put in a buy entry for 1.1860 and our take profit is 1.1890, we're buying it. How many pips are we looking for? All right. All right. All right. I think y'all getting it now. So with a regular micro lot size, if we were to put in that 0.01 at 10 cents per pip, we could have potentially made $3 from this trade. If we would have put in a mini lot size, that's $1 per pip, we could have made $30 off this trade. And let's see, we got big money. We put in a standard lot that's $10 per pip. We could have made $300 off of this trade. So if you have gotten how to calculate pips, and this is just for this kind of currency, I will drop a video in the universal knowledge chat on how to actually calculate pips for other currencies like gold and the Japanese yen. I need you guys to drop some ones in the chat if you got this. If you have any questions, please unmute and ask me so I can get that clear for you.
Can we join the universal knowledge chat?
Of course. Go on. Let me send you the link.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, sis, so you said the last one was 30 times 1.0. That's the standard lot, right?
The 1.0, yeah, that's the standard lot. That'll be putting in $10.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so that's the link to universal knowledge. You can come in and change. All right, so that's the link to universal knowledge. Make sure that you are in that, and the link to everything. You can come in. My husband's home. Hey, baby. So risk management. Risk management. This is something that I literally push. It's literally the number one thing in this opportunity is risk management, because a lot of people come in and they just want to get rich quick, and this is not a get rich quick opportunity. It literally, we have a lot of money in front of us, but it should not be a good get rich quick opportunity. We are learning to become investors, and so learning risk management is something everybody needs to stay on top of when it comes to your account. So right here is a chart based on how much is in your account is how much your lot size should be. Everything is laid out for you. So if you have $100 account, you need to put in a 0.1. You have the ability to put in a 0.1 lot size. Here are different ways that you can break it up. You don't want to put in a 0.1 on every trade, but remember that if you're going for 50 pips on a 100-point lot size and you put in $1 trade, you could potentially lose $50. That's half of your account. So I say 0.01 it out. I literally am a 0.01 queen. I love it. So proper risk management is very, very key in your account. This will be available to you guys at all times. Just screenshot this if you may or if you need to, but not going to spend too much time on this. And one thing I do want to say about this chat, 10 pips, 20 pips a day will literally grow your account every day. 10 to 20 pips a day will grow your account every day, or per trade will grow your account per day. So do not just take these big old trades like Harmonic Scanner gives you with 50 pip lot sizes and 50 pip take profits and stuff like that. Break it up. It's going to automatically hit 10 pips every time. I ain't going to lie to you. So do this with your account. I promise you your account growth will be immaculate. Do not change your appropriate lot size until your account size moves to the next level. Can you screenshot the full chart, please? I'm going to drop the full chart in the universal knowledge chat right now for you. Actually, there you go, sis. You're welcome. Can
you add me in the universal knowledge chat, please?
Link is right above you, love, in the chat. There you go. All right, so never break rule number 1, which is never change your lot size until your account lot size moves to the next level. If you get this, please drop some money signs in the chat. I need to make sure you guys are going to be protecting your accounts from today on out. Drop some dollar signs in the chat if you promise to protect your account from here on. All right. So I just want to show you guys this little MetaTrader 4 screen, so you guys know what you are looking at when you are in trades. Because a lot of people, when we are sending out actual trade alerts, I'm gonna in the Universal Knowledge chat. This chat is full of IM family from all over the world, literally. So I will be sending out trades and the trades that comes from the different scanners. I have an elite pack, so I am able to share with you guys. But I want to make sure you guys are understanding what you're looking at. And if I say move your stop loss and profit, or take profit, take partial entries, I need you to know exactly what you're looking at. So you have your take profit box. So this is according to an iPhone, not an Android. You have your take your profit box. You have your stop loss box. This first number right here will always be where you entered it. The second number, where it's going to have an arrow. So where you entered at, the second number is going to say the current price. This number will move. This number will stay the same. This right here will say exactly what you did and for how much. So you will never know how much you lose in any of that, because you should know how to count pips right now. So you should know going into the trade, if it hits stop loss, I'm going to lose $5. If it hit take profit, I'm going to make $15. So this is your actual trade box. Here's your take profit. Like everything you enter will be right here. You'll never not know what's going on. So this is the trade screen. Gonna go down to the next slide, which is talking about buy limits or actual pending orders. If you guys do not know what pending orders is, let me drop into let me see some tools or understand pending orders. Tools. Zoom user. Can I go back up real quick? There you go. All right, so pending orders, I see some tools. I see plenty of tools. We're going to get this understood right now. So buy stop. If you're looking at a buy stop, or if somebody calls it a buy stop, basically the market is already buying and we're going to catch the buy. Literally. The order place is above price. The price is already moving. We're literally going to catch the buy. For a buy limit, you want price to retrace. Enter you in, and when it retrace and start going back up, it's literally you're gonna be in the trade. So for a buy stop, order place above price, and you think the price is going to continue going up, it's already buying. Enter me in, let me catch the rest of it. For a buy limit, dang, I'm missing it, or let me catch it. It's retracing. I see prices getting ready to come on, or not even retracing. We're finna hit a major reversal. Price market just reversed. It was selling. It got down here. You start getting your reversals. Enter me in. Bam. That's what a buy limit is. Vice versa for a sell stop. Price is already moving. It's already selling on us. Enter me in. Order is already placed below price. When it hits this price, it's going to continue selling. In my opinion, that's literally what a sell stop is. And for a sell limit, order placed above price, you think price is going to go up and then go back down. If everybody get pending orders, drop some POs in the chat for me. If that just blew your mind. So simple. If you have a question, please unmute your mic. It's 35 people on this call, so somebody may be confused. No question is a dumb question. Please remember that. Can I re-explain it? Who unmuted? Go ahead.
Can you give me like 1 minute to write that down, please?
Oh, yeah. Go ahead. And like I said, all of this, you'll have access to this PDF. You'll have access to all of these pictures. So y'all don't miss out on nothing. You'll have access to this recording. So, yeah, you'll have all of this. I know this is not a PowerPoint, so I can't like zoom out and stuff, but buy stop. Order is placed above where price already is, and you think that price is going to continue to going up. So a price is already buying. I'm going to place it above price. Price is going to keep going up, probably 5 pips above where price is, or something like that. I know it's going to keep going up, 20 more pips, something like that. Enter in a buy stop for a buy limit. We're probably looking at price reversals for a buy limit. Price is already going into a sale. You got those reversal candles, and you see the price is going to start buying at this price. Enter in a buy limit. You think that you're going to enter price below, order is placed below price. You think price is going to continue going up. For a sell stop, it's literally the vice versa. It's below where price already is, and you think that price is going to continue to go down. It's going to enter you in the trade. So the price is at 1.860, and you see that price is selling. I'm going to enter in me a sell stop at 1.850, and it's going to continue going down to my take profit of 1.820. I'm going to take profit in this trade. If you get this, drop some POs in the chat. Let me make sure everybody understands pending orders. Lastly, a sell limit. Order is placed above price. You think price is going to continue to go down afterwards. So it's going to shoot up, enter me in, shoot down. Not always guaranteed, but this is what this stands for. All right.
I have 2 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first, are you gonna drop this link to this recording in the chat?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
All right, bet. All right, and then my other question is, are you ever gonna explain how you explain the execution for MetaTrader?
Yeah, I'll show you that right now, matter of fact.
All right,
so it's on my computer, but it's the same on the phone. If you have an iPhone, I'm gonna just tell you it's literally on top of each other, and on the iPhone it's more detailed for you. So I don't know what to tell you if you don't understand the iPhone. So say we're looking at Euro USD, we're gonna stick to the same currency on this trader. Euro USD is at 1.1860. If I click this little trade button, bam, it's gonna take me to the trade screen. Y'all look at the trade screen that's right here. Pay attention right here. Market execution box. You click on this market execution box, it's going to give you the whole drop down. This is on a iPhone or Android or a computer, as you can see. So boom, depending on the trade, if it does not say buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop, it's automatically a market execution. Please don't ask that and don't check. If it don't say the words, it's a market execution. If it do not say buy limit, buy stop, sell stop, it's a market execution. Buy Euro USD, that's a market execution. If it says buy limit, then we're going to go here. We're going to click here. Now, on a buy limit trade, I will show you guys an example of a buy limit trade. Let's look. Good old Telegram search box. Buy limit. All right, USD CAD buy limit. So it's going to give you an entry price, a stop loss, and a take profit. If you were to go to your MetaTrader 4, this price right here is where you enter the entry price. On an Android, this green box is where you enter your take profit. On the red side, that's where you enter your stop loss. On an iPhone, it's going to be all on top of each other. It's 3 boxes. Literally, it's going to say entry, stop loss, take profit. That's it. Hit the place button, and that's it. Let me switch to my demo account so I can show you guys real quick a quick example of just one, if it let me. All right, so big. We on the demo account. Quotes. We need a cryptocurrency because that's the only thing we can enter right now. So, say somebody calls a buy for XRP. I'm going to come to my computer. I'm going to press the trade box. So, it's a market execution. Say buy XRP. Actually, they're going to probably say sell XRP. We're going to press this. Sell. That's it. Now, as far as the parameters on the computer, I can click on this right here. I'm going to show you the smart thing to do. Click on this right here. If it comes out, automatically press buy or sell. Then go in, modify order. Enter in to take profit and a stop loss. This is how you never miss a trade. This is how you don't miss a move or anything. Enter in, hit the buy or sell first. Any questions? Any questions?
Can you go over what the second number is? I know one of the numbers is the entry price, but what's the next number?
It's like a buy and an ask price. So you want price to cover both of those numbers before you. The prices has to cover both of those numbers before you start making money.
Got
So
it.
you
Thank
know
you.
when you enter the trade, every time you enter the trade, you're gonna be red. They have this thing called spread. This is how much. This is basically how the markets make their money, how the brokers make their money. One thing I do want to tell you guys: if any broker, and this is for regular currency pairs, not indices. If the spread is above 40, 30, really, do not enter the trade. The spread is way too high. You'll see high spreads around market time openings every time. But when they're sitting here like 15, 18, 13, you can trade these. You want your price, like how price opened and it was already at $1, y'all. The spread was high on this trade, but this is XRP. The spread is always high on cryptocurrencies. That's why I don't trade them. Any more questions before I go on to the next one?
Hey, can you explain what spread means? Like you say you don't trade spread that is too far apart, but like what is the spread? The price range or like the pip range or like what?
It's both the price and the pip range. It's basically how much is in between. Price has to cover this number. So you see this red and this blue box right here? This is the spread on this currency. So if it enters me in, it's probably going to enter me in up here for a sale. I have to literally go back down and cover this number. And this is how I start making money on the fluctuation of the price. So if you got a spread that's huge, you're going to have a hard time covering the spread because what if this price is moving slow like this one likes to do? You see these small candles, it's going to be hard covering the spread. You're going to be red forever. As this spread on XRP is steadily increasing. It's at 348 right now. I'm still trying to cover the spread and it's probably already selling.
So what's the lowest and what's the highest? You would
like I said, more than 40, anything over 40, you just want to make sure you're using proper risk management, keep your stop loss tight and stuff like that. But that's really it. As far as my knowledge on spreads, I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't want to just like overly say stuff and it's not even the right thing to say. But like I said, it's gonna tell you, it's gonna show you. Like if I was to enter in right here, it's not gonna enter me in automatically right here. This is where price is, but it's gonna enter me in up here. I have to cover this price. And let this come back down. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. So basically when you get out from between them two lines, that's when you'll basically start.
That's when you start becoming a Forex trader. You're actually making money on the fluctuation of the USD and the CHF.
Okay.
So let me check the comment box because it's not showing on my computer. All right, no questions in the comments. Y'all quiet. That means I'm doing something right or wrong. So boom, I just want to share these little resources with you guys before I show you these next pictures as far as watching videos, because I do not have the best voice in the world. You might want to go listen to a little different voice, right? So boom, this website right here, you guys, is the best education website when it comes to learning Forex. If you go to educatormannyq.com, that's literally it. educatormannyq.com. It's going to come up like this. As long as you have an active package, you can watch anything on this website. Go to training right here, and I'm going to show you guys some sauce. So drop some flames in the chat because this is some sauce. Drop some flames, drop some flames. If you do not understand that MetaTrader 4 mobile guide I just went over, you can go right here and watch this one. If you do not know how to use TradingView yet, here's a TradingView tutorial. If you do not have a Forex trading plan, here's a Forex trading plan. Now, as far as learning how to trade Forex in the depths, which I'm not going to go over tonight because it's literally 12 o'clock midnight Eastern Standard Time, 11 for me, and I'm cooking chicken wings. I'm not going to lie. So,
I have a question.
What's going on?
Okay, with the TradingView, I think they said if you have a certain package, you get it for free.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have to sign up for it? Because when I signed up for it, it's like I had to put in payment information.
So I do have the pro plan that allows you to use like 5 indicators. I did. I need to pay it, but I did. I have just a regular one. You do have to sign up. You don't have to put in like your actual card information, if I'm not mistaken. But if you have the regular plan, it's not going to charge you for anything unless you want to upgrade. My recommendation, you guys, on this call, if you want to learn how to become a real Forex trader, you want to start using TraderView in addition to the tools that we have. All of our tools are primarily great, but I'm not going to lie to you. I trade a lot better without indicators. Most of our master educators, the education, they come from TradingView because they can't trade with all the indicators that's already on there that's on our products. So you want to learn how to use TradingView as you progress as a trader. I'm not going to lie to you. You're going to get irritated with the products as you progress as a trader. That's me right now. I can't log into all of the scanners. So boom, big old Forex boot camp, beginners boot camp. I'm not gonna lie to you, Maxine. Indicators bother me. I use one, and that's a moving average, literally. So here's a beginners boot camp. How to calculate pips, how to understand pin orders and sizes, the different types of analysis. If you do not know what the cycle of doom is, I really need you to go watch this video. A lot of people go through this and don't know how to come out of it, but this is a great video. Watch these videos. It's only 8 of them. You will become a better trader after watching them. I do have some sauce for you guys. The I Am Academy has updated. If you have not looked at your Forex Academy, it has updated. They have new videos for us to go and watch. I have not watched them yet. When I went to my Forex Academy today, it was at 63%, and I knew I had watched all of them. So I have new videos to go and watch now. You guys cannot say they are not teaching us how to trade in this market, because they are. I'm not going to lie to you. If you have the Forex package, if you have the elite package, please make sure that you go in and watch the new videos that have been posted in the Forex Academy, because they some heat. So if you do not know how to get to them, I just went to im.center, logged in. As you can see, my stuff dropped down to 63%. I didn't understand it. But yes, we have some new videos in here. Scroll down. Market geometry, I knew I seen here. Continuation patterns, support and resistance and depth, price reversal zones, pivots, levels, power of twin trading, Bollinger Bands, EMAs, market geometry, new videos. None of these videos were here. So you guys, please go and watch this. How to use the harmonic scanners, harmonics in depth. Literally, y'all go watch these videos. They are heat and they're new, maybe. Or if they're not, let me know. But maybe I'm tripping. But that's one other source. Forex Factory, Bloomberg, and that is what I just went in, is the IM Center. Of course. So candlesticks. One of the main things I want to talk about tonight is candlesticks and how to read them. If you do not know how to read a candlestick, like, you just be trading. I ain't gonna lie, it's okay to drop a one, but please drop a one. If you are just trading and you do not know understand how to read candlesticks. A lot of people are doing this, so y'all can be honest. A lot of people are doing this right now. Because if y'all on a call and y'all be like, is it a buy or a sell? And all of the candles are red, you don't know how to read a candlestick. So if you do not know how to read a candlestick, please drop a one. I bet. Y'all ain't gonna be honest. It's okay. It's okay. So for a buy, this lower, I don't even know what I was trying to say. So boom, this is the open of the candle. This is where price open for a buy, and this is where price close for a buy. If it has a wick on it, the low of the wick, the candlestick Bible is amazing. Yes, I actually put into my schedule this week to read a chapter of the candlestick Bible every day. It's on my schedule this week to get into the candlestick Bible, because I definitely want to start doing more trainings on that, so we can understand. So boom, I'm in all the chats. Do I have the links for any of these chats? I'm not in no family, y'all. I'm sorry. I just got universal knowledge check. So boom, open and close of the candle, and then the wicks. This is the low. This is the high. This is for a buy. As far as a sell, at the top, it's going to be the open, and for the bottom, it's going to be the close. The bottom wick is the low of the candle, and the top of the wick is the high of the candle. So this is how you read a candlestick. For a buy, the open is at the bottom and price pushed up. For a sell, price is at the open is at the top and price pushed down. Simple. Different candlestick patterns. Please, 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 if you do not have this in your possession, please screenshot this. It's gonna be in the chat. You're gonna have access to it. You ain't got a screenshot. It's gonna be blurry. So boom. Another candlestick patterns. Please, please, please go and watch it. These are bullish candlestick patterns. These are some bearish candlestick patterns. These are your basics. What I just went over. So this is it. This is it for this one. If you love this little presentation, drop some flames in the chat. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So I went over all of this. Some different brokers you can invest in. So brokers. I use Eagle FX. Not gonna lie to you. Thank you. Some different brokers you can invest in: KOT, Hugo's Way, Prosperity, Eagle FX. Educators to watch. I know we're going through this whole switch, but different educators to watch. Manny Q, his favorite sessions have not gone away. Lee Allen, her favorite sessions have not gone away. Ava Melendez, his favorite sessions have not gone away. Ralph Lencroix, his favorite sessions have not gone away. Kim Milano, yes, they have. Chance and Samantha, their favorite sessions have not gone away, and I have not checked Spills because it's weird to get on his stuff now. So their favorite sessions have not gone away. They are Forex educators to watch. If you want to learn how to up your Forex game, watch these people. If you are an indices trader, watch Mike Deveray, watch Mike Miles, watch Lex Waves. They teach about market structure, US 30. They teach about all of those different things. I went over this stuff, how Pip Talk can save your life. Y'all, if you are not, I was going to say, what's going on? Y'all can see this, boom. Good Lee Allen and Tay Pips. I am definitely starting to be on that session today. Not today, but this week. I was asleep, but I am awakened now. Pips and Breakfast, wake your ass up session. I'm on those sessions this week. I'm not lying. If you do not know what Pip Talk is, drop a 1 in the chat. If your mentor has never told you what Pip Talk is, drop a 1 in the chat. All right. 2 people on my call have something to go back and teach their mentor. Pip Talk can save your life. They're literally on the go alerts for our master educators. With us going through this whole big old switch right now, Pip Talk is probably going to be one of the main communication tools for us as far as taking trades for Forex educators. They're going to call out trades. They're going to send out their trading view charts. If you do not understand how to read charts, you want to learn how to do that, because they're going to send out their trading view charts showing us their analysis. If you can't understand that when they send out and you have green on the bottom and red at the top that you're looking at a sell, you need to go and watch some of these I Am Academy videos. So Pip Talk could literally save your life. I'm gonna go and show you guys simply how to subscribe to a Pip Talk. Actually, let me go in here and boom, Pip Talk right here. So if you in your IM.center, Pip Talk will be right here, and you can subscribe to anybody. So I'm gonna go in. I know does Abel Melendez subscribe to him? Let's see. Does he update recently? No, he doesn't. That's a 1 year ago. What the heck? Live on Go Live. I'm going to find Chance to Samantha. I'm going to show you their stuff because they really be giving some sauce. Oh, wait. I can search now. Wow. All right. So Chance and Samantha really be giving some sauce on their Pip Talk, y'all. I'm not going to lie to you. They do a lot of sessions when it comes to Forex. So they drop different education tools, planners. They drop their actual, like I said, they drop their analysis. They come on here, you just click on them. You're not going to understand this because I don't understand this. They teach a different strategy for understanding harmonics. So yeah, to understand them, they actually drop all of their little, let me see if I can find it. If it's not even on here. They drop so much every day. They have like a little PDF to understand all of their calls. That's what I was looking for. Maybe they deleted it. But yeah, that's how Pip Talk works. You go to any master educator, you just press subscribe, and yeah, You download the I Am Academy app to get their alerts. That's how you get the alerts for it, because you're not getting anywhere else. If you don't have the I Am Academy app, go download that too. So boom, that's Pip Talk. That is Pip Talk. It can save your life. If, as far as traders, you don't even get on, just go and click on different master educators and see if they see what they drop and stuff like that. And that's how I just start subscribing to people. I'm not gonna lie to you. Harmonic Scanner, the easiest tool to use. You literally can log onto it 5 days a week and take trades from it and make money. As long as price is at entry or around entry, like this one was, take profit. Enter it in. Everything is going to be labeled for you on a harmonic scanner. As we did have with the HFX package, we did have access to the harmonic scanner and the Forex education, but we do not anymore. They have changing it. So please get the elite pack. I have never been one to push more money or to spend more money, but the elite pack, y'all, is where it is at. I am able to trade Forex, HFX, and DCX all at one time because I'm able to plug into the elite pack and all of the educators that it comes with. I did teach colors. I don't really teach it anymore because it doesn't come with the elite package. It's an additional $50, and I have a lot more business expenses, so I'm not adding it on. And yeah, that's it. That is it. Does anybody have any questions? Stop recording.